Hello folks, so today we'll be starting with the second question of our Leetcode SQL 50 problems series, that is find customer referee. The question number is 584. So here we can see the table name is customer and we only have one table mentioned here. Let's read out the description. So in SQL, ID is the primary key column for this table. So this the column ID is the primary key, and for each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their name, and the ID of the customer who referred them. So basically, this is the name column that that indicates the ID, the name of the IDs of the customer. Third is the referee ID, the people who referred him. So let's see the example. It will be more clearer. So ID is the primary key. We don't have any duplicates here. Name will be there. Fine. Referee ID. So we can see null is also present here in the column referee ID. So suppose fourth one, third ID, where the name is Alex. The referee ID is 2. So this person, Jane, has referred Alex, but no one referred Will. That is the ID number 1. So that is why it is a null there. Let's see the problem statement. It says find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with ID 2. So all of the people, all of the names of the people who have not been referred by the ID 2. Fine. This is the expected output. Here we can see Will is also there. Will is null, but still it's there. So we have to write the code for this. First of all, select the column name that we want is name from the table. So what is the table name? Customer. Just copy it and paste it out here from customer. Now the filter that we need is where referee ID equals not equals to. So this symbol, exclamation symbol, stands for not. So we can read it as where referee ID not equal to 2. 2 will not be in quotes because it is a integer data type. Yeah, it is a integer data type. So it will be not in quotes. If we run this, let's see. It is throwing an error, that is wrong answer, and the output is Zach only. But the expected output here is Will, Jane, Bill, and Zach. So what is wrong here in the code? We can see this code is avoiding all the IDs, referee IDs where null is present. So that we have to add another condition. So where referee ID is not 2 or referee ID is null. Either it is null or it is not having 2 as the referee ID. Then it will take that as a command. Fine. We'll run it and hopefully this works. Yeah. Now we'll submit this to check all the test cases present for this problem. Yeah, it beats 96% and 19 of the 19 test cases have been passed. So yeah, thank you folks.